If you're interested in making passive income with very little work, no money at all, and no risk associated, this is the video for you. If not, don't worry. Just go ahead and watch anyway to support me. Thank you. What's up, everyone? This is Drake. Today's video is over affiliate marketing. I'm going to go over what affiliate marketing is. I'm going to go over how you can set it up today. I'm going to go over how much you can potentially make from affiliate marketing. Another thing I'll go over is some negative things that go along with affiliate marketing. I'm going to go over where you can potentially put your links to drive the most sales and the most clicks to build sales for affiliate marketing. Then last, I'm going to go over a bonus tip that you're going to want to stay to the end so you don't miss out on. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. And everybody go ahead and smash that like button right now. All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to start off by going over what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting a product. So you promote the product and you say, if you want this as well, I'll go ahead and leave a link below in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Then if the person clicks that link and then goes to Amazon or something like that, then they buy that product, Amazon will in return give that person that promoted the product a small percentage. And you can promote this through social media, through websites, or through YouTube like I am here. Why people like affiliate marketing and why it's so great, you don't have to do any work. That means besides like promoting the product, so you don't have to have any inventory, you don't have to set up a website, so there's no risk. All you have to do is promote. And it's a win for the Amazon, they get a new customer or someone that's going to buy something. It's a win for the promoter because they get a small kickback, and it's a win for the customer because they get a nice product out of the deal. Now I'm going to go over how to set up affiliate marketing today to start making passive income. For this, I'm going to use Amazon just because they're the biggest. A lot of other companies do offer this, and some offer more commission as well. It just really depends what product you're promoting and stuff like that. But I'm going to start off by going to the Amazon website. Start off by going to the Amazon website, then scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you get there, go ahead and go to Become an Affiliate. Click on that. Wait for it to pop up. This will take you to the Amazon Associates page. You can earn up to 10% advertising fees with the trusted e-commerce leader. Now I'll go over Join, Advertise, and Earn. Scroll down to see these. It's easy and free to join. Get up and running today with just one approval to join, and there's no third-party advertising approvals. Advertise. Choose over 1 million products to advertise to your customers. Whether you're a large network, content site, or a blogger, we have a simple linking tools to meet your advertising needs and help you monetize your website. Earn. Get up to 10% in advertising fees. Earn advertising fees from qualifying purchases, not just from products you advertise. Plus, competitive conversion rates help you maximize your earnings. Now we're going to scroll back on up to the top to get signed in. Put Join Now for free. Click that. Now we're going to sign in. If you don't already have an account with Amazon, you can make one. It's really quick and easy. Now I'll show you how to search for products and get the links from. Start by typing in the product you want. Mine's a Pop Voice for my microphone. Scroll down to the product that you bought, that you want. Alright, here's the one I want for $9.99. Click the down button. You can shorten the URL and just copy and paste it. That easy. Now I'm going to go over how much you can get paid from affiliate marketing. I'm going to go over a few different examples to kind of give you an idea of what promoting different products can give you, a wide range. Amazon, you can earn 10% on a very trusted e-commerce, and they're the leader, so that's a great one to start with. That's why I chose Amazon as well. Next, I'll show you how you can figure out how much commission you make from a product. Here's the classic book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The hardcover is $11.99. I use this site to figure out how much commission I can make from affiliate marketing. It's an Amazon earnings calculator. You select the Amazon category. Each category earns a different Amazon commission rate. Then you put in how much the product costs. That book was $11.99. So in return, I'll get 53 cents per sale. That's pretty good for not having to do any work at all, guys. besides promoting the product. Now I'll go over a more expensive item to show you how your commission can add up. This is a Canon camera for $249. You could use this for your YouTube channel, for vlogging, or just for taking pictures. It can be good for any of those. Originally, this is a $379 camera, so you're already saving $130. That's a great deal. Now I'll go back to this Azon earnings calculator. This is very helpful for me so far, showing my commission. Go down to the price. It's a $249 camera. Type that in. So just under $10 for every time you sell a camera. You can see how that's going to add up every time you sell. Next, I'll go over to the select Amazon category, just to kind of show you how the different Amazon commission rates can change depending on the category that you're selling through. There's different each one. Each one has a different Amazon commission rate. I'll just buzz through each one quick just to save time. You can see some categories are much higher than others. Do your research on categories. Some categories give a higher percent than others. So you make more money promoting some items than others. I'll leave a link for this website down in the description so you can kind of play around with it as well. It's been a great tool for me so far. Now I'm going to go over where you can put your affiliate link to get the most views. This is basically a numbers game. The more views you get, potentially the more sales. If you're not getting any views, you're not going to get any sales at all. So the more you get, the better. The first one is a website. This is great too because you can embed a picture in there as well. So if the viewer clicks the picture, then you can make the sale that way. Another great way is a blog. So if you review an item or you promote an item, you can just leave the link below. Then that's another way you can do it. Another one is social media. But be careful on social media. You don't want to be too spammy or something like that and get unfollowed. Another way is YouTube, like I'm doing here. That's why I started my affiliate program, to start selling it through YouTube. And YouTube, you don't even have to promote the product in the video. You can just leave it in the description. So for example, in this video, I use this stand, I use this camera, I use this lighting, I use this microphone, or something like that. Being an educational channel, I can also put books that have helped me as well and things like that in the description. So when the viewer comes through, if they like that, they can get the product. Now I'm going to go over some of the negatives of affiliate marketing that you need to be aware of. The first one is if someone looks at your product and they don't decide to buy it that second, but they come back 24 hours later the next day, then they buy it, you'll no longer make a commission on that. Another thing is if someone clicks your link on their phone, then they switch over to their computer and then buy it on there, then you'll no longer make the commission on that. And vice versa, if someone's on their computer, but then they switch over to their phone and buy it on there, then you won't make a commission on that either. Another thing is if someone clicks your link, then later on they delete their cookies or their search history, then you'll no longer make a commission on that. You won't make a commission if someone clicks your link, then later on they click someone else's link, and the person that link they click last will get the commission. Now I'm going to go over a bonus tip to help grow your sales. If you're still watching, thank you so much. I put this bonus tip at the end because I appreciate your guys' support. For this, if someone clicks your link, and they have a bunch of stuff in their shopping cart, you get commission on each one of those things in your shopping cart. So that can really add up. If they have like a bunch of things in their shopping cart, you get commission on things that you didn't even promote. For Amazon, the cookies delete after 24 hours. The cookies are basically what sends Amazon to show that you were the person that promoted the product. Most other places that do affiliate marketing, they go for 30 days, but for some reason Amazon is 24 hours. But that's still great. So anything that they click in 24 hours, you can get a commission on that. Now I'm going to do a quick review of affiliate marketing and wrap everything up. If you want some passive income, affiliate marketing could be a great tool for you to leverage. There's no cost of inventory, so you don't have to worry about putting up any capital that you could potentially lose. There's no risk of starting a business. Amazon or whoever you go through for affiliate marketing, they take all that risk. All you have to do is promote the item, and they do all the grunt work. It's a win for Amazon because they get a new customer out of the deal. It's a win for you because all you have to do is promote the item, and then you get the commission. So there's little work there. And it's a win for the customer because they get a great product for no extra cost. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Everybody go ahead and smash that like button. It'd be a huge help. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you want to support me, I have a few affiliate links below. You can check the products out. If you already have something in your cart, then click the link, then buy it. That'd be a huge help to give me some money. Or you can just, if you already want something else on Amazon, click the link, then search that. That'd help me as well. Thank you.